Today when I was trying to come up with a design, I actually created an ace face. So we have the van mask ready for pinstriping. Here it is. The van is masked and ready for pinstriping. I'm going to get right at it. I have my supplies all ready. I have my MAC brush, WD-40 for hand cleaning, some thinner for the paint reduction, and I'm ready to begin. Okay, let's start getting this job rolling. I like to do an upstroke when I'm lettering. Meaning pulling the brush away from me instead of towards me. It's all about the pressure that you put on the brush that creates the width of your line. And the steadier you can keep that pressure, the cleaner line you have. This brush works very nicely because of the elongated bristles. You get a really long distance that you can pull a line before you have to put more paint on your brush. It's something there in the painting in the outdoors, because the sign painter's one shot is not something that you want to be breathing for an extended period of time. Sorry that we have power washing going on in the background. We have to be multitasking to get all the things done so we can go out and have fun. The paint's dragging just a little bit. So we'll be using some thinner to make it flow a little nicer. So it's coming along. Okay, we're halfway there. It's coming along nicely. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Just remember that, slow and doing it very slowly with each stroke is what's important, because if you're too fast about it, you don't get the even line. You want to pull it as slow and as even as possible. Okay, well, I really am enjoying this so far myself. It helps me to practice up on my skills. And the hot rod paint job, you see, we also did down in Florida. Baron and I were very anxious to get the van customized, so we'll show you a little bit of the side here. We got scallops going back. It got a nice motion to it. We're pretty happy with it. Get a lot of great looks on the vehicle. Okay, so we've got a great start to the beginning of our pinstriping job here for the Knees to the Breeze motorcycle rental. Fantastic van. Very happy about it. And we'll see you soon. So keep in touch.